Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Cubot P20. Now why exactly this particular phone? Because it offers a crazy value for money, guys. Let's check the specifications at the back of the box quickly. 6.2-inch full HD screen, notch, octa-core MTK processor, 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, 20 megapixel camera with 2 megapixel bokeh camera, Samsung sensor, okay, 13 megapixel front facing camera, Android Auto out of the box, fingerprint reader and 4000 milliamp hours of battery, and all of that for 160 bucks, guys. That's absolutely crazy. Now I know what you're gonna say, oh, the Poco Phone is the new flagship killer, this and that. Well, that might be the new Poco Phone killer. Apart from the processor, this phone offers absolutely phenomenal specifications, guys. So let's take it out of the box and let's see what this phone is about. Now I've got the denim color over here, which is supposed to be sort of blue. So let's see what do we have. Oh man, that bezel is big. Let me tell you that the bezel is absolutely huge. But in terms of size, oh man, check this color. That's nice. It's definitely a plastic back color. Oh, here the sides are I can't really tell. I think that they're made of metal. Yeah. Now the sides, check this out, guys. All the specifications over here. Now how is it in terms of size? Let's put it against the Poco Phone over here. So more or less the same size, I would say. And let's see, compared to the OnePlus 6, let's see. Yeah, more or less the same, guys. More or less the same. A little bit thicker, of course, but I really don't mind because they put a gigantic battery inside. So let's peel off this plastic wraps over here and let's see what we are dealing with, guys. I really like the design though. That's a screen protector, by the way. That is indeed a screen protector, which I am going to remove straight away, to be honest with you. There we go, screen protector removed, and I'm gonna power this baby up to see what we are dealing with. Okay, it has juice. All right, now what else do we have inside the box, guys? Let's check this out. Oh, look at the presentation, nice and clean. That's how I actually like it. Now there's the charger over here. Let's check this out. Okay, nice little European charger. Let me see the rate of charging. Okay, so 5 volts, 2000 milliamp hours. Okay, that's kind of quick. Okay, all right, that's good. We've got a charger. Now probably we've got cable. Yes, that's right. Oh, noodle cable. Okay, noodle cable, but check this out, micro USB. Now I really don't know why they keep doing that. Micro USB, guys, we are not 2012 anymore. USB Type-C, put the USB Type-C. I mean, even if it costs like $5 more, I really don't mind paying $5 on top for USB Type-C. But anyway, okay, the SIM pin tool over here, a bunch of stuff nobody's gonna read, and a case. Yes, a case is always a win, guys. Slap it on quickly like that. And it's not one of those cheap Xiaomi cases that they keep putting. This one is kind of more stable, it offers more protection. So yeah, let me just put my information in and let me see what this phone is about. Give me a sec, yeah? Now I've been playing with the phone for a few minutes, guys, and I can tell you I already like what I see. Now first of all, I already have a notification for an update, which is cool. And to be honest with you, the performance, I really didn't expect miracles, to be honest with you, from an old MTK processor, but I can easily tell you that it's definitely quick enough, guys. I've got no complaints about the performance. Of course, time will tell. But so far so good, to be honest with you. Of course the chin is a little bit big, but overall I really don't mind, and I really like this blue color over here. The buttons are where exactly you need them to be. Check this out, there's the power button over here, and the fingerprint reader is kind of quick. It's not the quickest one in the world, but it's definitely quicker than the Essential phone, to be honest with you, and it unlocks 100% of the time. So yeah, I'm happy with the fingerprint reader. Now this notch over here, you can definitely tell that you've got some sort of a black bar around the notch, around the screen. I really don't mind, to be honest with you, and the screen is not too big. There's the camera and a bunch of sensors, LED notification light as well. But the highlight of this phone is definitely the screen now. 1080p screen, guys, on this money. I mean the iPhones, even the iPhone XR doesn't have a 1080p screen, so that's a miracle. And to be honest with you, the colors, I really like what I see. You can definitely tell by the chrome icon over here, you can tell the yellow is yellow, the green is green, and the red is red, which is the most important thing. You can see the saturation is spot on. So, you know, 6.2-inch screen, 1080p for 150 bucks. I can't really complain, to be honest with you. Give me about 1 or 2 weeks time, depending on how long I'm gonna be testing this phone, and I'm gonna give my full review and talk about a little bit more in depth. So until then, stay subscribed and watch my other videos as well, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later.